Let's get straight to it, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Junior, and today's gonna be a different video. You probably won't see much of me on this video today. Today I'm linking up with my buddy. I'll put his description. I'll put his Instagram up top. Make sure you follow it. I'll put his YouTube channel below. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. So, like I said, linking up with my buddy. He wants to do an oil change on his bike. He has a Yamaha Sexy. I'm just kidding. He has a Yamaha, I believe it's a 2009, or it could be a 2008. I'm gonna ask them, and I'll put that on the description on the video. And it's a R6 Black Raven edition. So we're gonna get into it right away. Won't be too much talking. You'll just see him or see me doing the oil change on his bike. Hopefully this helps someone in the future, or someone's thinking about doing a oil change on their bike. Again, he has a Yamaha. I have a Suzuki Gixxer. Different bikes, just like cars, trucks, whatever. You have different makes, different models, but everything is pretty much the same. So this is my boy's bike. Like I said, a Yamaha Sexy Black Raven R6 Yamaha. We about to do an oil change on my boy's bike. More than likely, we're gonna probably have to remove his left fairings.
Just to get to that oil filter.
To get to that oil filter.
And then a drain plug underneath.
Yep. So it probably won't be much talking on this video. Just you're gonna be watching us do our thing. All right. So right now, we're in the process of undoing the drain plug to get to that oil, so you get all this old oil out. And I'm just holding the fairing back for him so he can get to it with the wrench. And we just trying to get a good feel on what size to put on there so you can untwist it, loosen it up. His oil filter is literally right here, so that has to come off as well. And to do that, we're just going to remove his shifter. We'll loosen it up and move it out of the way so he can access that to take that off. We didn't have the right socket. I thought I had all the sockets, but like I said, I got a Suzuki, he got a Yamaha, so bolts are different. Still an oil change, just the bolts are different, so yeah. So like I was saying, definitely shout out to AutoZone, sponsor us.
Oh yeah, already. Shout out to my boy. I'm going to go get it.
Oh yeah. Gotta make sure we get his oil change taken care of. Weather trying to get ugly on us, but we still gonna take care of what we gotta do. We ain't gonna let that stop our show at all. Back to
While we do that, we're gonna go ahead and remove this link, the shifter, so we can get to the oil filter. Is it 10 millimeter?
Still draining out of there. I know, I mean, Ash, what year is your bike?
It's an 08.
Oh, 08, okay. I was thinking it was an 09.
They all look the same.
Yeah. I think up to 2014, right?
Yep. But this is the year where they actually made this one the fastest year actually, the 08 model.
Yeah, I've been trying to get my brother.
Gotcha.
I'm the one who gave him the idea to prank.
To do it?
Yep.
Yeah. That video was fun.
Finally got the oil filter on. Took about an hour.
Boy, it looked like we had to use superhuman strength now. Like we got superpower.
Going with the can in.
On in with the K&N filter. Just want to take a little of the used oil and just rub it around there. So that way, it'll be easy to come off next time.
A whole lot damn easy. It took 3 of us. Went from this one would be a whole lot easier. He about to screw it in like so. Get it tight as he can with his regular strength. Then we'll just put a ratchet on and tighten it up some more.
So with the shifter, you want to line it up. That little dot, it's a little dot on here, right there. You want to line it up with this line.
It's crazy. It took us, 2-3 hours to do this. I'm gonna trim this down to 10 minutes. We're gonna look like we work at Pet You know what? I made.
Like I said, we putting that oil in it right there. Got it at Cycle Gear, Plano. Oil, the filter, the oil, all together, 3 quarts of oil and a K&N filter. Ran me about $60 after tax. These are my wife's keys, so don't judge me.
I wasn't gonna say nothing at all.
He got pink and purple on his keys.
I wasn't gonna say nothing at all.
Appreciate it. That's it.
Finished. Neato.
Shout out to my boy Jay. Y'all go follow him, like, subscribe to his channel.